guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video I'll be doing an unboxing for Influenster. If you don't know what Influenster is a company that sends you free products that you guys have to just review and test out for them, and you fill out surveys, and every time you have someone sign up or do a lot of reviews or snaps, they'll send you a box full of goodies. So without further ado, let's get into this box. But like always, please like, subscribe, and share. Now on to the rest of the video. Alright guys, so the fun things that I got in this box, I got 3 items, but they're really great items. The first, it is this, as you can tell, I already opened it and tried it because as a mom of toddlers, my body hurts a lot because my daughter and my son are constantly pulling and yanking and want to be carried and all that stuff. But they sent me this Advil dual action acetaminophen. You know what I'm trying to say. It has Advil, it has acetaminophen 250 milligrams and ibuprofen 125 milligrams mixed together, which is super great. It comes in this little bottle. They sent me an 18 count one, but when I saw it in the stores, there was like a 72 count one. So it's like, okay, like, so it's cool that it comes with in a big pack and a little pack. Honestly, I've been using it for like a few days now because I get a lot of back pain, a lot of joint pains, and this works. I had a migraine and I took one. All you need is one. The next thing that they sent me is this Murphy's Witch Hazel alcohol-free toner, smooth with rose. And if you're new to my channel, I love anything rose, and the fact that they sent me something that is rose scented, I am obsessed. I actually have put this in my husband's hair. He has locks and his scalp gets really itchy, and I know it says it's a toner, but it's also witch hazel and it has rose, so it's super soothing. So you can use it on the scalp. It doesn't have to only be on your face, because since it is for your skin, your scalp is part of your skin, and it has helped him a lot. I've used a little bit of it, not too much, but definitely great for your face, but also great for your scalp if you're having an itchy scalp. Definitely a plus. And last but not least, it is this Garnier Fructis 1 Minute Miracle 1 Minute Hair Mask. They sent me the papaya extract. I've done this mask twice, and guys, it leaves your hair super soft. It does work in 1 minute. I've always used their other ones in the past, like the avocado one. Pretty sure they have a coconut one. So definitely is a cute little bottle, and I've done it twice, and there's still a good amount of mask left. So definitely smells amazing, like papaya. If you don't know what papaya smells like, well then, there's a little bit more information about the products and what they sent me. And yeah, so thank you again to Influenster and all these companies who partner with influencers to send me this awesome box full of goodies that I've been using on me and my family. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. And of course, I'll put the link down below so you can sign up for Influenster and get yourself some free products. Like always, like, subscribe, and share. Have a good day, afternoon, or evening, whichever time you're watching. And please stay safe out there. Bye now.